The latest round of ad tech earnings reports last week had some jaws dropping. Wait. Before I lose you, we'll talk about these earnings reports, but I'm also going to talk about what they mean for the broader advertising landscape. I'm Kate with Marketecture, and this is The Refresh, your weekly download on what went down in advertising. Let's talk earnings. First, investors were loving AppLovin, who, after being voted most successful tech stock of the year last year, continues to impress. Their fourth quarter revenues jumped 43% year over year, up to $1.37 billion. AppLovin has essentially mastered the mobile performance media game, using in-app interactions and behaviors to train their Axon AI models. As more ad budgets shift into performance media, AppLovin is looking to get their fair share, selling off their gaming portfolio to focus on supporting other industry verticals with their ad tech and AI. Moving on to our other jaw drop that led to a collective gasp, The Trade Desk. Their stocks dropped more than 30% last week after they reported that they missed their revenue guidance for the first time in 33 quarters. Their fourth quarter revenues actually jumped 22% year over year, but investors and industry speculators alike were still shook. The Trade Desk has executed more pivots in the past year than that episode of Friends, and once they find their new normal, I honestly think they're going to be fine. As one of the biggest ad tech players, they have massive influence over how the advertising landscape is being shaped. Studying their moves and the moves of those similar to them will help you understand where the future of ad tech is headed and where you might need to pivot your own business strategy. Finally, we have Roku, who reported $4.1 billion in revenue for 2024, an 18% jump year over year. They also added more than 4 million new streaming households in Q4 of 2024, with CEO Anthony Wood saying that more than half of US broadband households now watch TV with Roku. Roku has been focused on making more of its inventory and data more accessible to more advertisers, a trend we're seeing play out across the broader advertising ecosystem. Ad tech vendors are beginning to place even more emphasis on partnerships, integrations, self-serve opportunities as a viable path to revenue growth using ad dollars big and small. That's all we have time for today. Now go tackle this week with all the boldness and confidence of someone who chooses to drive over a mountain pass during a snowstorm without any snow tires. Thanks for watching The Refresh, and we'll see you next week.